Everyone, I'm gonna make some taco today, but I got my ground beef here. I'm gonna use half of it. The other half's gonna barbecue. Yeah, it's 4 pound bag, and I use 2 pounds. Anyway, instead of uh, making regular taco ingredients, I'm gonna use the Mamacita Sisig mix. I like this mix, so I'm gonna make taco sisig, I guess, if you wanna call it like that. So here we go. So I'm gonna cook half of this, put it here, and mix it with this. See how it tastes like. Normally I use this for if I have leftover chicken and stuff. I don't, so I'm gonna use the ground beef instead. Do that. And this one, I'm gonna make patties out of this leftovers. Anyway, this beef is 80% lean, 20% fat. So you're gonna see a lot of fat in the bottom. Put a little bit of salt. Brown pepper. Mix. On this one, the bag says to mix it with 1/4 cup of water. This is 1/4 cup. Feels a little bit smaller than what it should be, but anyway, I'll mix it like that anyway. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Put 1/2. Make it 1/2. Okay, this is 1/2. As you can see, the ground beef is now floating in fat. If it grows out with fat, don't watch this part. I'm gonna dump some of the fat out. Oh, let the fat out. Alright. try to dump some of the fat out. Not all of it. Maybe about half. Or I took a half of it. 4 ounces of fat. Okay, this is all done. So I'm just gonna get rid of the spatula. I'm gonna use a new one. Time to dump our special sauce. Alright, this is done. Okay, here's my taco sisig. Could add onion, sour cream, and some hot sauce, whatever you want to add into it. I'm just gonna eat it like this to taste just the sisig flavor. Or you can even add some lemon on it too if you want. But right now I just wanna taste the meat with the sisig flavors. So let's see. Look at me eat. Mm. Good. You don't have to add anything. It's good. A sisig flavor is really sticking into the meat. Mm. I guess that's it. It's the taco flavored sisig. I mean, sisig taco. How would you say that? Taco flavored sisig, yeah, right? Taco flavored sisig. There you go. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. You should try it. Bye.